Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over our DG glitch list, and I believe we have over 40 items and glitches to talk about in this video, plus we have some brand new glitches. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder, because I know that a lot of you all have been missing out on these deals. I have uploaded a bunch of videos for you all this week. We have new coupons, we have glitches, we have overages, we have new clearance items, we have a penny list, we have more glitches, plus we have a 3-day sale with tons and tons and tons of deals. Trust me, you're not going to want to miss out on this sale. So if you have missed any of these videos, make sure that you go and check them out. They're all going to be linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so jumping right in, first up we have this new 1-off-1 digital coupon on the Oral-B toothbrushes. This coupon is glitching, working on the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes priced at $1, and also the Oral-B Daily Clean toothbrushes priced at $1. So pick up one of those, use that coupon, and that is going to make it completely free. Next up, we have a 1-off-1 for our Crest toothpaste. This coupon is glitching, working on the Crest Pro Health toothpaste priced at $1, found in the dollar aisle. So after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. All right, next up, we still have this 2-off-6 digital coupon on the Vaseline, Suave, and Dove products. This coupon is glitching, working on the 1.75 ounce Vaseline jelly. It is also working on the 2 fluid ounce bottles of Vaseline Intensive Care lotion, as well as the mini lip balms. So all of those are priced at $2 each. You can mix and match. After the coupon, you're paying $4 for 3. And this coupon is also glitching, working on the Vaseline Lip Therapy in the tubes. Those are priced at $1.85. So pick up a total of 4. Use the coupon. You're paying $5.40 for 4. Next up, we have this 150 off 1 digital coupon on the Tums product. This coupon is glitching, working on the 12 count Tums. They're priced at $1.25. If you are at a new register store, that coupon is going to make it completely free. If you're at an old register store, it's going to make it completely free, plus give you 25 cents in overage. Next up, we still have this 1-off-1 digital coupon on the Johnson & Johnson's products. This coupon is glitching, working on the travel-sized shampoo. Those are priced at $2, so after the coupon, you're paying $1. Next up, we have a cashback offer that is glitching. We have 75 cents on the Flips pretzels. This one is glitching and working on the peanut M&Ms. These are priced at $3.50, so final price is going to be $2.75. All right, next up, we have this 3-off-2 digital coupon that is glitching and working on the Kinder Bueno bars. Pick up 2. If you're at an old register, that coupon going to make it completely free. If you are at a new register store, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you 20 cents in overage. Next up, 50 cents off one for the American greeting cards. This coupon is glitching and working on the 50-cent cards, so pick one up. After the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. Next up, we have a 5-off-3 digital coupon on the Colgate products. This coupon is glitching and working on the charcoal toothbrushes priced at $3.35, so pick up 3. After the coupon, you're paying $5.05 for 3. Next up, we received this 1-off-1 digital coupon on the Pepto products. This coupon is glitching, working on the 12 count. Those are priced at $3, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2. Next, we have a 75 cent off 1 digital coupon on the Olay products. This coupon is glitching, working on the travel-sized Olay body wash. Those are priced at $1.30, so after the coupon, you're going to pay 55 cents. And then we also have a 5-off-3 digital coupon on the Olay products. This one is glitching and working on the 2 count Olay bar soaps. Those are priced at $4.25 each. Pick up 3. After the coupon, you're paying $7.75 for 3 2 counts. Next up, we have a 50 cent off 1 digital coupon on the Bounty products. This coupon is glitching, working on the 1 count Bounty Essentials priced at $1, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just 50 cents. All right, next up, we have a 2-off-1 digital coupon on the ZzzQuil products. For this one, you can either pick up the 4 ounce liquid ZzzQuil, or you can pick up the 8 count tablets. Both of those are priced at $4.35. After the coupon, you're paying $2.35. Next up, we have a 2-off-1 for the Vicks DayQuil products. This coupon is glitching, working on the 4 fluid ounce liquid Vicks DayQuil. Those are priced at $5.50, so after the coupon, you're paying $3.50. And the same thing goes for the Vicks NyQuil. We have a 2-off-1 digital coupon. This one is working on the 4 fluid ounce liquid NyQuil. Those are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're paying $3.50. All right, now here's a brand new glitch. We just received the 75 cent off 1 digital coupon on the Folgers product. This coupon is glitching, working on the Folgers Instant Coffee Sticks 24 count. Those are priced at $3.45, so after the coupon, you're paying $2.70. Now, this coupon is also glitching, working on the Folgers Instant Coffee Sticks chapsticks 7 count, and those are priced at just $1. So after the coupon, you're paying just 25 cents. All right, next up here is another brand new glitch. We just received this 1 off 2 digital coupon on our accounts for the General Mills fruit snacks. This coupon is glitching and working on the Fruit Gushers fruit snacks tropical flavored, as well as the strawberry splash flavored. Both of those are priced at $1. Pick up 2. You can mix and match. After the coupon, you're paying $1 for 2. Now, this coupon is also glitching and working with the Mott's fruit snacks 3 count. You can either pick up the berry or the fruit flavored. Both of those are priced at $1. After the coupon, you're paying $1 for 2 boxes. All right, moving right along, we also received a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon on our Mr. Clean products. This coupon is glitching and working on the 1 count Mr. Clean magic erasers found in the dollar aisle for $1. So pick up 1 after the coupon. That is going to leave you paying just 50 cents. And then we also received a new 150 off 1 digital coupon on our Vicks products. This coupon is glitching and working on the 20 count Vicks Vapo Cool Cough Drops. These are priced at $1. After the coupon, that's going to make it completely free if you are at a new register store. And if you are at an old register, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you 50 cents in overage. Now, we also still have this glitch going on right here. We did receive a DG store coupon for $3 off when you spend $10 on Hershey's Holiday Candy. And we have select bags on sale right now. Buy 2, get 1 for free. And what is happening within the system is that it is actually picking up the regular price of $3.35. Pick up 3 bags. The coupon is coming off, the sale is coming off, and you're paying $4.50 for 3 bags. So again, I have not tried this at the regular register or at self-checkout just yet. I can confirm it is still working as a pickup order. So if any of you all out there have tried this at the register or at self-checkout, please let us know how it worked out for you down in the comment section below. Now, if you don't want to do that deal, here's another way that you can use this coupon. We have the Reese's Christmas trees. They are on sale 2 for $2, and basically the same thing is happening. It's picking up the regular price, applying the sale and the coupon. So you're going to end up paying $5 for 8 Reese's Christmas trees. All right, and last but not least, we have a brand new glitch that is a part of our 3-day sale that starts today on Thursday, November the 2nd. Again, if you missed my 3-day sale video, make sure that you go and watch it because there are tons of deals that you are not going to want to miss out on. I promise you will not regret watching that video. All right, so during this 3-day sale, we have Chips Ahoy cookies. They are going to be on sale 3 for $8, which is already a fantastic deal because they are normally $3.75 each. So what you want to do is pick up a total of 3. We have a digital coupon for $2 off when you spend 9, and take note, this one does expire tomorrow on Friday. So the system is glitching. It's picking up that regular price. It's applying the sale and the coupon, and that's going to leave us paying $6 for 3, making those just $2 each, which is a definite stock up price. And I can confirm this glitch does work as a pickup order at self-checkout and at the regular register. So everybody run out and grab this deal before it's gone. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned because I will be uploading a second video for you all today on Thursday, November the 2nd. So, before you go, don't forget to do all the things, subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.